Today's game plan, waiting on Sammy to get here and Jordan to get here, and a third rider of the female origin, I believe. It's late in the day. We're just gonna troll some bonita strips, some feathers, do a little bit of offshore fishing. I have a question for my weathermen viewers. How come in the year 2024 in Florida, the weather predictions are never right? We would have thought we would have had it figured out by now, but always wrong. Every single time. All right, we got the boat loaded down. Got Jordan up front. The whole crew has arrived. We got two Sammys on the boat today. Sammy 1, Sammy 2.
Going for it.
And we got all the beautiful rods. We're gonna be trolling hardcore today. This is a late day trip. It's 3:30 p.m. so we only got about maybe 2-3 hours of fishing. Let's make it happen. We have made it out off the reef's edge. We are in 120 feet of water. The boys are in the back. They're putting out feathers, bonita strips on planers, all sorts of goodies. Check it out. It's game time, boys. Game time. All right, we got a fish on the shotgun.
Let's grab that squid chain.
Wow, on the freaking squid chain. Who would have thought? Oh, yeah, that's a nice.
Yeah, boy.
Beauty. We got another bite on, another bite. Oh, yeah. Oh, that black and gold. Prettiest colors in the Keys. Woo! That's a good one. All right. Beautiful blackfin tuna.
Got him on, got him on.
Wow.
Meat in the box.
That looks like a good fish.
That's better.
Yeah. You think he's a gaffer? He's good. He's a gaffer. Holy smokes, that's a big black. Holy here he comes. Yeah. Stud.
That's a good one.
Holy
That baby up. Nice, boys.
Yeah.
I almost let him go with the first gaff shot.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Hold that sucker up.
Get him in the sun. Good one, boys.
That's a fat monster.
Bro.
That's solid, dude.
Yeah.
You gotta believe that other one too. Hey, good work, man.
Look how he makes my foot look small. Oh.
Phew.
Wow, with the sunset in the back.
Hold your, got him on.
Some good looking tunas you got there.
Phew. Okay, look at that sunset right there. Plenty of time to fish. Turned out to be a blackfin tuna kind of day. One of the prized fish of the Florida Keys, pretty much all of Florida. We're gonna be making some poke bowls, I think. I don't know yet, but not bad for an afternoon trip. It was like 2 hours of fishing.
2 hours, 5 fish.
Some fatty boobalatties in the box.
Saw something crazy.
Now we.
It was a Loch Ness monster.
Oh yeah, we did see some big marlin or something right in our prop wash, swacking our baits, but we didn't get it. But time to head back. All right, we are back at the house, back at the dock. Ooh. We are gonna do a little bit of tuna filleting. Jordan's on the deck. He's got the big boy. That's how we're gonna start. I've never seen an orange. The meat is orange on this blackfin tuna. We'll see how the other ones look. We have solved the mystery. It was just our lights were making it look orange. The meat actually looks nice and pink and delicious, and we're about to make some poke bowls. We are now in the kitchen, and we are going to make poke bowls, which basically gonna take some of this tuna, chop it up. We're gonna marinate it in some soy sauce, ponzu sauce, and some other things. And we also got cucumbers being chopped up, and
Avocado,
some carrots.
avocado, carrots, thyme.
Crispy onions.
Sammy also got this Japanese barbecue sauce. Might drizzle that on top. And Sammy is making the rice back there.
Other Sammy is doing the veggies.
Are you putting that rice in a margarita cup?
Yeah, that's the only measuring cup Heiko's got. Tequila and rice.
Tequila! All right, tuna.
Mango tuna.
Big old bag of tuna. And Sammy, tuna's dripping. And just dripped food all over the floor. This happens in my kitchen every time we cook.
A nice portion of that. We gotta go the tuna first because that is the best. Main top.
Yeah. Damn, that looks really good. Oh, don't forget the crispy onions either.
Oh yeah, hold on. Brand new pack. Look at that. Oh yeah. $25, get it now. Heiko.com.
That does look good. All right, we've created a masterpiece. Does it look beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, look at that. All right, let's take a bite and find out what kind of flavors await us. Just some rice and some tuna.
Wait.
I'm starving.
What's going on over there? About to give the hind leg. It's gonna be a whole ordeal.
Yeah, that's great. You know, normally I like to let the tuna rest for a day. Makes it a little softer, but it's fabulous. I think home run for 2 hours of fishing, I'd say we did pretty good. I can't even think right now because I'm just so hungry and it's so delicious. It's hard to beat a poke bowl. If you come to Florida, go get yourself some tuna and you won't regret it. If you want to catch your tuna, watch all of my videos, all 500 of them, from front to back, and you'll be an expert tuna fisherman. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the end. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.